In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix the space missing error between words in Microsoft Word. Sometimes when you're working on a document, you may notice that the spaces between words suddenly disappear, causing the text to look crowded or difficult to read. This issue can happen for several reasons, such as formatting problems, incorrect spacing settings, or text that was copied from another source. Fortunately, Microsoft Word provides a few simple ways to correct this issue and restore proper spacing throughout your document. To begin, open your document in Microsoft Word and carefully look at the section where the spaces appear to be missing. In some cases, the words may actually contain hidden formatting or special characters that prevent normal spacing from appearing correctly. One helpful step is to turn on formatting marks so you can see exactly what is happening in the text. To do this, go to the Home tab at the top of the screen and locate the paragraph symbol icon. Clicking this button will reveal hidden formatting marks such as spaces, paragraph breaks, and tabs. Once these marks are visible, you may notice that certain areas contain unusual spacing characters or no spaces at all. If you find that the spaces were removed or replaced with other characters, you can manually insert spaces where needed. Simply place your cursor between the words and press the spacebar to restore the correct spacing. While this works for small sections of text, it may take longer if the issue appears throughout the entire document. Another approach is to use the Find and Replace feature to quickly correct spacing issues across the document. Open the Find and Replace window by pressing the keyboard shortcut that opens the replacement tool in Word. In the Find field, type the text pattern where words are incorrectly joined together, and then enter the corrected version with proper spacing in the Replace field. Running the replacement will update those instances automatically. In some situations, the problem occurs because the paragraph alignment is set to justified formatting, which spreads words across the line. If the spacing between words appears inconsistent, try selecting the affected text and changing the alignment to left alignment using the alignment options in the Home tab. This can often restore a more natural appearance to the text. After applying these adjustments, review the document from beginning to end to confirm that all words are properly separated and easy to read. Fixing spacing issues not only improves readability, but also makes your document appear more professional and polished. And that's how you fix the space missing error between words in Microsoft Word. If you found this video helpful, let me know in the comments, give it a like, subscribe to the channel, and don't forget to hit the notification bell.